If it's 10 at night and there are bottles in the sink again, a bottle washer dryer is supposed to hand that chore back to you. To land on these 5, I ruled out a bunch that leave parts damp inside, or that fit 4 small bottles and nothing close to a full set of pump parts. They're not all built for the same home. Some go big on capacity, others on a smaller footprint, or a quicker wash. Whatever your feeding routine looks like, one of these is yours. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. This one earns its place because of how little it asks of your kitchen. There's no hose, no sink hookup, nothing to plumb in. It runs on 2 removable tanks, one for clean water and one for the dirty water, so you can put it wherever there's an outlet. If your counter space is already claimed and the sink corner is the busiest spot in the house, that matters more than any spray jet count, and it does the full job. 20 high-pressure jets and 3 rinse cycles for the wash, then steam, then HEPA, filtered hot air for the drying. That last part is what people actually notice, because the drying rack disappears from the counter. Baby Brezza says parts stay sterilized inside the closed chamber for up to 72 hours. Treat that as a closed lid, clean machine number, not a promise you can ignore. There are 6 modes, and the wash and rinse portion on its own takes 19 minutes if you want bottles back fast and don't mind air drying. Where it gives ground is capacity. 4 bottles, and if you're pumping, flanges and valves eat most of a load. That comes up constantly from owners, and one buyer put it plainly. They wish they could get 2 full cycles out of 1 tank fill. For a newborn phase with heavy pumping, you'll run it more than once a day. A couple more things worth checking. Buyers mention descaling regularly and rinsing off caked formula first, and Baby Brezza itself admits concave surfaces can hold a little water after drying. So bottle bottoms deserve a glance before you put them away. It costs the same as the top picks in this video, so you're paying for the placement freedom rather than raw capacity. If your kitchen has no room near the sink, that trade makes sense, and the link is in the description. Now, if you're pumping around the clock and small loads keep piling up, the next one was built for that exact rhythm. At number 4, the Papablic 4-in-1. And this one is for the parent who's pumping and bottle feeding on repeat, running small loads several times a day, rather than saving everything up for one big evening rescue. That distinction matters, because capacity is where it draws its line. Realistically, you're looking at 4 bottles plus all the parts, and owners who fit more are using slim bottles or pulling the racks out. If you're trying to clear a whole day's feeding gear in one go, number 5 up on this video won't save you either, but you should know that going in. What it does instead is fit the rhythm of a pumping day. A full run of wash, sterilize, and dry lands somewhere around 74 to 84 minutes, and there's a sterilize-only pass that's much shorter when parts are already clean. Owners with a double electric pump say the whole kit goes in together, which is the part that usually breaks these machines. Papablic went with a drain hose instead of a second tank, so there's no heavy container of dirty water to carry and spill. The trade is placement. This machine has to live near the sink, and it's about the size of a microwave, so measure before you commit. 2 more things people who use it daily bring up. It's quiet, quieter than a dishwasher, which counts at 10 at night. And silicone comes out without any detergent smell, which nipples and pacifiers are notorious for holding on to. The angled control panel is a small thing that reads bigger after a C-section, since you're not bending over the counter to read buttons. The upkeep is discaling, and it's real. One long-term owner mentioned white mineral buildup on the metal after 6 months that wouldn't come off, though it kept washing fine. A handful of buyers also report drainage errors, so watch your first few loads. It costs less than the 3 picks above it in this video, and it's covered by a 3-year warranty. For price and details, you'll find it in the description. And the question a lot of people are asking by now is how little you can spend without giving anything up. Number 3 answers that. At number 3, the Bare Bottle Washer, and it's the cheapest machine in this whole video by a clear margin. That price is the reason it's here, but it's not a stripped-down machine. You get the full routine: wash, steam, hot air drying, and a storage mode that keeps everything sealed and dry afterward. Bare says 26 spray jets and rapid wash in 19 minutes. Owners who've timed a complete run of wash, steam, and dry land closer to 99 minutes, so plan the fast cycle for when you need bottles back before the next feed and the long one for overnight. Capacity is where buyers sound happiest. Several describe fitting a full pump kit plus 3 or 4 bottles in one load, with the internal brackets pulled out when their bottle shape doesn't play nice. If you're running loads twice a day, that's the difference between 1 round and 3. There's a rinse habit you'll need, though. More than one owner says they wouldn't trust it with dried-on milk straight from the sink pile, and Bare's own manual backs that up for stubborn residue. Same drain hose setup as number 4, so sink-adjacent placement applies here too. Owners also mention water spots on the items after a cycle. Cosmetic, not dirty, but worth knowing if hard water is already your enemy. And here's what makes it easy to live with. It ships with 90 detergent tablets, which is months of loads before you spend another $1 on consumables. Someone explains the value better than I can. Build quality surprised me. It feels the same as the pricier machine I've been using for 5 months. The cycle runs a little longer, but the bottles come out just as clean, and the drying is very good. For a budget alternative, I don't feel like I gave anything up. If you want the full wash, sterilize, dry routine without paying top of the video money, this is the one I'd look at, and current pricing is in the description. That said, some households are washing all day and still running the machine again after dinner. Number 2 is aimed straight at them. At number 2, the Eufy S1, and the figure that decides this one is 10. 10 bottles in a single load, or 4 bottles plus a full pump kit on the other side. That changes the rhythm of your day more than any jet count. Parents running 2 loads a day instead of 5 get their evening back. One owner fits 8 storage bottles at once and 2 complete sets of pump parts, which is double what their previous machine allowed. For someone exclusively pumping, that's the whole argument. And Eufy backs the capacity with the rest of the routine. Water hits from every angle through the multi-layer spray, then steam at 212 degrees, then dual fans with circulating airflow, and everything stays sealed afterward for as long as 72 hours if you want it. Buyers keep saying items come out completely dry, including pump parts, which is where these machines usually leave you a damp valve. 10 bottles has a cost, though, and it's your counter. This machine is big, and one buyer returned it purely because a 1-bedroom apartment kitchen couldn't spare the space. She still rated it well, and said she'd recommend it to anyone with room. Measure before you order. 2 things soften the price. It ships with cleaning tablets, and the app lets you build your own wash mode or start a cycle from another room. Same money as the top pick in this video, so what you're buying with it is the bigger load. If you're washing a full day's feeding gear and your kitchen can host it, that capacity is what puts this one at number 2. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check the dimensions yourself. And that leaves number 1, and it didn't get there on capacity or cycle times. It's about what happens a year in. And taking the top spot, the Momcozy KleanPal Pro. It wins because it's the one people are still running 2 and 3 times a day a year later, and it still washes and dries like it did on day 1. That's the part that decides a purchase like this. These machines are almost all plastic inside, including the wash chamber, and heat plus daily steam is hard on plastic. One long-term owner reports only cosmetic marks after a full year of heavy use, with the filter still clean and barely any scale. Momcozy also sells spare parts, which not every brand in this category bothers with. The routine itself is quick. Rapid wash runs 19 minutes, normal wash 29, steam hits 212 degrees, and the sealed storage mode holds parts up to 72 hours behind an H13 medical grade filter. Momcozy says 4 bottles. Owners regularly fit more by pulling the racks, but with tall or glass bottles, the jets stop reaching the top level, so 4 is the honest number to plan around. And here's the thing that makes it different from everything above it. Owners describe loading pump parts, flanges, valves, pacifiers, and bottles in one go and pulling everything out clean. And that's the load that usually defeats these machines. Someone explains it better than I can. My after-work routine of washing bottles and pump parts used to take about 30 minutes. Now it's under 5, and it has never leaked once on my counter. The drying is where I'd set expectations. 60 minutes gets most of it, but water sits in the concave bottoms and the tops of nipples. Owners fix it by tilting the bottles and leaving storage mode running an extra hour or 2, which works, though it means the machine isn't truly done when the beep says it is. And with hard water, you'll be descaling weekly and using the tablets, not just filling from the tap. It costs the same as number 2 and number 5 in this video, so nothing here is about paying more. You're getting the model with the longest track record of surviving daily punishment. And for a machine you'll run every single day for a year or 2, that's what I'd want. Check the link in the description if this model makes sense for you. If you're pumping and washing all day, number 2 is the one for you, because 10 bottles a load turns 5 rounds into 2. But if your counter is already full, number 5 goes anywhere. There's an outlet. And if you want the machine that's still running the same way a year in, number 1. Updated links in the description. Prices keep moving.